Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl again, Mabel. If it is your first time, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this amazing family. I'm making another batch of my whitening, extreme whitening spa sugar scrub. Guys, I'm making another batch of my extreme whitening spa scrub. This scrub, you can use it for both face and body. Amazing. I'm going to be doing more video of my full. I've been so extremely busy, trust me. And like I said, this is my whitening booster. In it has activator or ingredient in it to help boost the whitening efficacy in this. And this is our luxury lightning shower gel, which also contains whitening additive as well as excuse me, this will help boost more whitening in this scrub. And also I'm going to be using my whitening additive from this to also add to it. This is 300 grams. So yeah, if you want to train, hit me up, okay? And on my WhatsApp, the number is going to be showing on the screen. Our website, we got a new website, which is www.azamabbeauty.com. okay, hold on. So yeah, I'm just opening up my whitening powders. And yeah, I'm going to be adding all this bit by bit. Let me put on my gloves. The spa the spa milk salt, which is also whitening. As you can see, whitening is smooth. It does exactly what is specified, written on the pack. It's smooth, and also it gives you that smooth and baby skin. It's enriched with vitamin E. It's whitening, and you can use 2 or 3, depends on what you want. Yeah, but in this formulation we just need 1 of it. And the sugar is where you measure it out. This is already measured out, so I'm just going to pour this, and this will give it the color I want. Got so many others going out. All our products are freshly made. So this is our Giga White powder. I'm adding 3 tablespoons. I'm going to open another one. Giga White, as we know, helps to target dark spots, sun damaged skin, hyperpigmentation, discoloration. So it's amazing. It's clinically proven to do this, what I just mentioned. Okay, I'm not going to go into details about the functions or the benefit of the powders. You can make your research. So yeah, I've added the Giga White. So my next powder now I'm going to add is Septic White. I've been doing this, so I know what I'm doing. Some of you will say, what if we don't have Septic White? You can use other powder like Snow White. Yeah, but you have to check that the pH, like pH of Giga White, is from 3.3 to 6 to 6.5, while Septic White is from 5 to 7. So you can see once at the end of the day, it's just going to fall within the range. Once I do the buffer, as in I check the pH by using the pH indicator substance to check it. Just gonna take some of the finished product and then put it in water. Then I test it with my pH adjuster, pH equipment to check the pH. So it's just gonna fall within that range. And also the product you put in will determine your pH. If you're putting vitamin C, L-ascorbate, you know the pH is going to be a bit little. So don't put too much stuff in your ingredient. Know what you're doing. And also like this product, great testimony. It's what I use. It's what I use. That's why I always stress on exfoliating. And when I was off YouTube for some time to take a break, a lot of people were disturbing with orders and many things, but I couldn't do that. But because of the love you guys showed to me, I said, okay, let me quickly cut short this and come back. Okay, I love you guys so much. So I've put the whitening additives. I'm going to be putting propylene glycol as well to help bind the product. Also, I'm going to be putting polysorbate 20. You can put 80. This will help make the oil to be at the top of the water. So when you use it, when you finish scrubbing, you don't want, after you finish scrubbing, you have left over of the oil so heavy on your skin, and no, you don't want that. And also what else? If you want the full recipe, I'm gonna come hit me up on my WhatsApp for the training, and I'm gonna give you the full recipe of this. And also I'm going to be adding preservative. This will help a lot because it's a wash up liquid, which definitely is going to be in the bath. So yeah, and that's it. If you haven't watched the video I put out on this, go and watch it. I'm going to leave some of the ingredients there on the screen, so watch this video to the end. I'm going to pour this. I'm just going to add a little, then mix it up with my hand, okay, and come back. So as you guys can see, so I added other stuff into it. Let's show you environmental thing. I added tocopherol, vitamin E to help prolong the shelf life. I needed to leave. I'm going somewhere, so I'm like covering myself to finish. I'm just gonna do it properly. So we added our other stuff to help bind the oil together, all the ingredients in it together. So if I want it more lighter, I put soap. It depends on the consistency you want, because when you leave it after some time, it's still going to be very thick. So I love this consistency though. Once I bought to it, yeah, gonna still be thick. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much. And our other channel, go follow me on my channel, follow me on TikTok, on Instagram. Thank you so much. Love you guys. You guys have been amazing. Have a nice day.